Hello viewers, welcome to the C Programming Masterclass series. Whether you are an absolute beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this course is your gateway to mastering C programming in an engaging, step-by-step way. In this series, we will learn the fundamentals of C programming starting from scratch. You will learn how to build logic and solve real-world problems through coding. You'll also learn advanced concepts like dynamic memory allocation, file handling, and data structures. And by the end of the series, you will be able to create your own projects and work on them. But first of all, why learn C programming? Well, C is the foundation of many modern languages like Python, Java, and C++. It powers operating systems, embedded systems, and high-performance applications throughout the world. Learning C builds a strong base, making it easier to master other languages. Well, here's how we have structured this masterclass. In Module 1, you will learn about the introductory aspects of C programming. You will set up your own environment and you will be able to run your very first program. In Module 2, we will be covering C tokens, data types, variables, and operators. In Module 3, you will learn the decision making and repetition aspects in C with the help of control flows and loops. In Module 4, you will learn about functions and pointers, which are the backbone of reusable efficient code. In Module 5, we'll dive towards some advanced topics from preprocessor directives to dynamic memory allocation. In Module 6, you will learn about data structures and algorithms. You will be able to master the concepts of arrays, stacks, queues, and sorting. Module 7 will be all about file handling, which will enable you to manage data structures like a pro. And finally, Module 8 will be based on projects and real-world applications, where you will create real-world projects to consolidate your learning. There are multiple video lectures available online, so what makes this series unique? Well, we have combined whiteboard animations to simplify the concepts, live screen recordings to demonstrate the coding in action, and hands-on projects to put your theory into practice. So are you ready to begin your journey into the world of programming? Join me as we demystify C programming one step at a time. Well, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Well, let's write our first lines of code together then. Hello world awaits. Stay tuned for exciting lessons, challenges, and projects. Let's dive into C programming and unlock the doors to coding success.